as we're talking about how the time of day of application affects herbicides, we also decided to look at some of our PPO herbicides, which are the most common mode of action that we have available for controlling palmer amaranth in soybeans. And most importantly, in Roundup Ready soybeans, this is one of the only modes of action that we have available to control palmer amaranth post-emergence. So we decided to look at some of the common PPO herbicides that we have and see how the time of day of application would affect the palmer amaranth control that we're seeing. So in this plot, we're just looking at Ultra Blazer. To my right, we have Ultra Blazer applied first thing in the morning, right at sunrise. And in the plot I'm standing in, we had Ultra Blazer applied right at noon. So what we're seeing is kind of a similar effect that we had with Liberty or glufosinate, except for a little bit less drastic. With almost all of our PPO herbicides, from the morning application to the noon application, we saw about a 10 to 15% reduction in control. And whenever we moved to the evening application, we still had less control than we had with the noon application. However, it was only 5 to 10% control. And again, this varied a little bit with the herbicides that we looked at. We looked at Ultra Blazer, Cobra, and Famecifin. So what we were seeing was across all of these herbicides, we saw a similar trend where we had an increase in control at noon and decreased control, especially in the morning and a little bit in the evening. However, the greatest control from all these herbicides was similar to that of glufosinate, not as drastic as it was with glufosinate, but we're definitely getting better control when these herbicides are applied in the middle part of the day.